So guys, my Photoshop for today is armpit hair. So guys, if you don't like women have hair for the armpit like me, so please guys don't watch my vlog, or can you skip my vlog because I'm making memory for my YouTube channel. So this is my memories when I old grew up, or maybe I watch again my videos when I was young, like this. So guys, if you don't like uh women or women have hair for the armpit, don't watch this. This is not for you. This is my own vlog and my memories. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I gonna show you how I do my picture taking or my indoor Photoshop. So first, I gonna use this background to my background. So this is from mainland China. So this is this item or this parcel is 1 month before I receive my order. So my order is black, but totally I received like this feather pink, but I don't like pink color for my Photoshop background, so that I use black like that to become white. Yeah.
I sound really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 나나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나봐 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control.
Ang init, grabe. Char. So next, up your right hand. 1, 2. Kaya mo yan. Oh my God.
I miss you, baby.
May grabe yung adlaw.
항상 이별은 쉽지 않아.
Oh my God, galit kayong ito. I am ready today. Yeah, because I apply eyeshadow. Oh, so hot. Oh my God.
그래서 더 생각나나 봐. 자꾸 뒤척이게 돼.
Okay.
나봐